Hello friends, welcome to our channel Astute EduHub. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about drug. In earlier lecture, we had discussed about the various basics of pharmacology, introduction to pharmacology and its branches. So in this lecture, we are going to study about different drugs, okay, and what exactly the drug is. So drug is in the French language, drug means or a drogue means dry herb. Okay, it is any chemical entity which is used for the cure, treatment or prevention of a disease. But this definition is not all inclusive definition of a drug. Okay, so WHO in 1966 has defined a drug as drug is any chemical substance or a product that is used or intended to be used to modify or explore physiological systems or pathological states for the benefit of the recipient. Okay, so the drug is not exactly the substance which is used for the treatment only. The drug which is also used for or intended to be used for the treatment is also called as drug according to WHO. So this drug can be sourced from various origins including natural, semi-synthetic and synthetic sources. So here are certain examples of the different sources of drug, that is a natural source, semi-synthetic source and a synthetic source. So natural source includes the drugs which are obtained from plants, microorganisms, animals. So the drugs which are obtained from plants, example is morphine, which is obtained from the opium or a poppy plant. So it is naturally obtained from the plant and we use it for the on the human body for the welfare, for a therapeutic effect or effect on our body. So that is why it is a drug which is obtained from natural source, that is plant. Second type is the drugs which are obtained from animal sources. Example is insulin, okay, which is originally extracted from the pancreas of cows and pigs. So insulin is generally obtained from cows and the pancreas of cows and pigs. So it is the natural source which is obtained from the animals. Third type is microorganisms. So some drugs which are available or which are obtained from the microorganisms, like all of we know that a penicillin which is obtained which was obtained from the mold, that is Penicillium notatum. Okay, so that are the drugs which are used as from the natural sources. Second class आता है जो drugs obtained from the semi-synthetic sources. So what are drugs obtained from semi-synthetic sources और इसका मतलब क्या है semi-synthetic sources? So mainly semi-synthetic means these are obtained from the natural sources only. ये natural sources से ही मिलते हैं but we just modify them. Okay, how we modify them? For example, penicillin which is obtained from the microorganism Penicillium notatum. Okay, actually that penicillin is acid labile. Acid labile means it is generally get destroyed by the acid in the stomach. So we need to formulate such a drug of or such derivative of that penicillin that this penicillin does not remain acid labile, it becomes acid stable. So वही penicillin लेके हमने उसको सिर्फ ऐसे derive किया है कि वो acid stable बन जाए. So वही source है, natural sources ही है but उसको derive किया गया है another drug में. Okay, so that are called as semi-synthetic sources. So example is penicillin which is penicillin V and amoxicillin. So these are the modified versions of penicillins. Okay, so next are the synthetic sources. So synthetic sources example is aspirin. So aspirin इसका बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है, दैट इज एसिटिल सैलिसिलिक एसिड. मेनली ये एसिटिल सैलिसिलिक एसिड एक ऐसा केमिकल है जो कंप्लीटली सिंथेटिक है, जो वो केमिस्ट्री लैब में बनाया गया है. ऐसे ड्रग्स जो लैब में मैन्युफैक्चर किए गए हैं और लैब में सिंथेसाइज किए गए हैं उसको ड्रग्स ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम सिंथेटिक सोर्स ऐसे बोलते हैं. सो दीज आर द मेन 3 कैटेगरीज ऑफ ड्रग्स, दैट इज ड्रग्स ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम नेचुरल सोर्सेज, ड्रग ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम semi synthetic sources and drugs obtained from the synthetic sources. So these are the main classes of drugs. ओके सो इस वीडियो में हमने देखा व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली द ड्रग का डेफिनेशन क्या है और उसके जो 3 टाइप्स ऑफ सोर्सेस ऑफ ड्रग्स है वो देखे, जिसमें नेचुरल, सेमी सिंथेटिक और सिंथेटिक सोर्सेस आते हैं और उसके एग्जांपल्स. ओके सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.